Coral reefs are the most diverse of aquatic habitats, containing at least 100,000 marine animal species. Coral reefs consist of coral emerged within limestone found all across the world within tropical warm waters. Coral reefs are often compared to tropical rainforests since they both occupy small areas yet have such large animal diversities. There are three basic forms of coral reefs: fringing reefs, which are built from rocky coasts; barrier reefs, which have lagoons lying between them and the coast; and atolls, which completely encircle lagoons.
The average ocean water temperature in the Great Barrier Reef region varies slightly, with a max average temperature of 28.8 degrees Celsius and the lowest being 22.2 degrees Celsius. The depth of coral reefs range from a low point of 30 meters and a high point of up to 3,000 meters, depending on the marine life.
Coral reef biome flora consists of 400 species of coral, 60 species of seagrass, 500 species of seaweed and algae. Corals are colonies made up of small animals called polyps. There are two types of corals, hard and soft. Hard corals have polyps with 6 tentacles or multiples of 6 tentacles. Soft coral polyps have 8. To survive, coral have a fluorescent pigment that acts as a sort of sunblock to protect them from harmful ray damage. Seagrasses have true roots and are the only flowering plants in the sea. Seagrass has adapted to living in habitats behind the coral reefs where they trap sediments from consuming the reefs. Some seagrass meadows are so large they can be seen from space. Most seaweed aren't harmful to grazing animals, but a few are, which allow them to survive without being eaten. People use them for multiple household items, including printing ink, cosmetics, and pharmaceuticals.
In coral reefs, there are 30 species of whales, dolphins, and porpoises, large populations of dugongs, as well as over 200 species of birds, 6 breeding species of sea turtles, 14 species of sea snakes, 1,500 species of fish, and 5,000 species of mollusks. Dolphins species are very diverse. Dolphins have adapted a fin shape that goes up and down, which allows it to dive up for air. Dolphins live in schools of pods up to 12. 6 of the 7 sea turtles in the world are found on reefs. Sea turtles are able to escape most predators with their high mobility in water and their size, which leaves only predators being shark and man. The temperature of the sand determines the sex of the baby turtles. With 1,500 species of fish, there is much diversity. Fish had developed large scales that they use for defense. Baby fish can swim at 9.5 body lengths per second, which is almost 5 times faster than the fastest Olympic swimmer. At the bottom of the food chain, we have kelp, algae, and coral, which are consumed by clownfish, sea urchins, krill, and the dugong. Clownfish are then eaten by the sea snakes and the sea bass, which are both consumed by the barracuda. At the top of the food chain, we have the tiger shark and the whale shark.
Humans have a large impact on coral reefs in multiple ways. Pollution with fertilizers and pesticides has deteriorated the number of reefs by killing the plants. The chemicals within these products are what kills the fragile ecosystem. Another way humans interact with coral reefs are by minerals from mining and farming leaking into rivers and oceans.